SP rookie threads.
Isn't that special?
Let's see how I go for this.
I noticed the change in him when me and my husband broke up.
There you go. Alright, pack one of the rookie threads. T-Mac base. Oh snap, son. T-Mac base. Dual threads. Bill Lane Beer, Rasheed Wallace. Is that not numbered or anything? Authorization auto, Andrew Bynum. Auto down the bottom there. And the cool hit from this pack, which is not numbered, is a LeBron James SP Threads patch. There's that. There's the patch in the P, which is sweet. LeBron. Not numbered though, but that's an awesome patch. Okay, next pack. Jamison, Turgaloo, Fuller card, Marbury, Baron Davis, TJ Ford base, and the signature threads rookie, George Hill 591 of 599. George Hill. Getting clear on it 'cause it's plastic. But there's the auto there. George Hill. Actually played well when Parker was out. Alright, next pack. Chris Paul base. Chris Paul. T-Mac base again. Jason Richardson and Deron Williams base. There's the Deron. And Jay Rich. And the three hits in this are authorization Louis Scola. That's it down the bottom. Triple jersey Beasley, Kevin Love and Joe Alexander. There's that. Beasley, Joe Alexander, Kevin Love. And SP Threads Sean Marion. Red from the Heat jersey, which he no longer wears. But Toronto wear red sometimes. Alright, next pack. Garnett. Oh shit. Oh shit. I've got a double insert, double hit, another Marion triple threads. SP Threads Kevin Garnett. And authorization of that guy. LeBron auto, my first LeBron auto pulled from a pack. To go along with the patch that I pulled from the box earlier. How good is that? A little bit off with the sticker not being straight, but who cares? It's a LeBron auto. How good is that? Alright, next pack. Oh, how good is this box? I wasn't going to get this box either, it was just a last minute thing. Worked out quite well. Another Garnett base. Brewer base. SP Dual Threads, Clyde Drexler and Kevin Durant. Drexler and Durant. And then we got SP Threads, Kirilenko and Chris Bosh. Oh, I'm loving this box. Last pack. What have we got here? Oh man, this box just keeps getting better. That's the third Durant base I've got. Kobe base, another Duran base, another Jay Rich and another Bino Udry, and I got a rookie signature threads 148 of 399 of this fella, OJ Mayo. There's an order over there. There's the number. So that was an awesome box. Let's do a recap of the hits from this one. You go from the back. Here's a recap. The dual threads, Lane Beer and Rasheed Wallace. Authorization auto, Bynum. And the LeBron patch. The LeBron James patch. So, George Hill auto rookie. Numbered was it? 591 or 599? 591 or 599. Then Louis Scola auto. Scola. Then the triple SP triple Beasley, Kevin Love and Joe Alexander. There's that. White, white and green for Alexander. Then there was the Marion jersey, SP threads. Another Marion jersey, SP threads. Garnett jersey, SP threads. Then the hit of the box. LeBron auto. There's the scribble down the bottom. Also, sticker hanging off just a little bit down in that corner, if you can see it. Just a small bit. Then a Drexler Durant dual threads. And a Kurylenko SP thread jersey. Chris Bosh SP thread. It's actually purple. Yeah. And then the rookie auto at the end in the last pack was OJ Mayo. So that worked out alright. Not a bad box. Alright, thanks for watching that. I will see you around.